Celsius Sparkling Grape Rush. Celsius Sparkling Grape Rush is a remarkable product that caters to everyone's preferences. As a consumer, I understand the importance of finding a beverage that not only tastes great, but also provides additional benefits. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that Celsius Sparkling Grape Rush excels in both taste and functionality. Out features of this product is its unique flavor profile. The refreshing grape taste is invigorating and delightful, making every sip a pleasurable experience. The balance of sweetness and tartness in the flavor is perfect, ensuring that it appeals to a wide range of tastes. Beyond its delicious taste, this product also offers valuable benefits. As a fitness enthusiast, I appreciate that Celsius Sparkling Grape Rush contains no sugar and is incredibly low in calories. This makes it an excellent choice for those who are watching their calorie intake. One of the standout features of this product is its unique flavor profile. The refreshing grape taste is invigorating and delightful, making every sip a pleasurable experience.